Charlie Chaplin once took place in Look Like Charlie Chaplin contest and won third prize. If you are a single ghost, then ghostsingle.com is dating site for all ghosts. Mosquitoes don't just bite you, they also urinate on you after sucking your blood. Sometimes you think you miss a person, when in reality you miss the memories, not the person. Just like Chinatown in US, there's an English town in China where nobody is allowed to speak Chinese. The name Spain comes from the word España, which means the land of rabbits. North Cape, on the island of the Mageroya in Norway, is called the land of the midnight sun. Legends say the goat herder Kaldi first discovered coffee. They ate some berries from the certain tree. They became so energetic that they did not want to sleep at night. Men and women who listen to the similar music tend to be better communicators and have long-lasting relationship. It only cost $168 to build an Apple iPhone 5 16GB. The retail price in the market is $699. The price we pay is for the brand, not for the phone. The luxurious high fashion brand Louis Vuitton shows no mercy and burns the unsold dead bags and merchandise at the end of the year. Far and away the richest man to ever walk the face of the earth was Mansa Musa, was worth $400 billion of wealth. He was from Mali Emperor, an Islamic West African state. If you search Ask You in Google search, the page will tilt slightly clockwise. Please do try this. There is a law in Paris which says the buildings cannot be more than 6 stories so that everyone can get equal amount of sunlight. The mimic octopus can not only change colors but will mimic the shapes of the other animals like flounder, lionfish and sea snakes. When Albert Einstein died in 1955, a doctor named Thomas Harvey stole his brain and spent 40 years in research. He found 17% more neurons than the average. A highly religious physician by the name of René Laennec invented the stethoscope because he was uncomfortable putting his ear to the chest of the women. The top speed of the Bugatti Veyron is limited not by the engine but rather by its tire exploding. SpaceX is making their own hand sanitizers and building face shields to donate to fight coronavirus. The child actors in Harry Potter would do their actual school homeworks and movies to make school setting more realistic.